Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, and today I'm going to show you how to finish cross-stitch bookmarks. So I have these two bookish bookmarks. This one is a stack of books, and this one is a bookshelf. I will link the pattern down below, and I have just various forms or various colors of wool felt. Just grabbed a few that I thought might look nice. And I'm just going to pick one. I'll probably do a different one for each. I like this purple. And I like this one too. I like how whichever color you're using tends to make different colors in the cross-stitch piece kind of pop. So, it's a tough choice. I like all of these. That one's really pretty too. Okay. Well, I think I'll do this one for this piece. And all I'm going to do in order to finish it is stitch. If you can see, I have cut 2 squares away on the Aida cloth, so that leaves just one square that's really going to be usable. This one I couldn't use, obviously, so I'm going to stitch into this second, like the middle row, away from the Aida, or away from the stitched piece, excuse me. So you don't have to leave a border on this. I like how it looks to have kind of a bit of the felt peeking through around the outside. So I'm just kind of gonna eyeball that. And I'll cut it out around here. I can always trim this more after the fact if I need to, in order to even up how it looks around the edges. So yeah, that will need some evening up at the end, but that's okay. And then I'm just gonna take a matching thread. I like that one. And a needle. And I'm gonna back stitch all the way around. I'm just going to use one strand of this embroidery thread. That's generally what is recommended for a back stitch. I feel like it'll give a nice color on the outside, but it won't necessarily take away from the design. So I do tie a knot in the end. Some people do not like that. And I'm just going to start on the corner here. I'll start on the inside. Oops. so that I can hide my knot. In between my two layers. And then I'll just start stitching. So with back stitch you go one stitch away. Having a hard time finding that. There we go. And then come back to meet your previous stitch. And I'll just do that all the way around.